Bring in criminal defense attorney Stacy Schneider for some comments here. The defense team saying that they will appeal. How do you think that will go?
Not very well. The judge was very careful about making all the rulings he made in this case, particularly in bringing in those Molyneux witnesses, which you were just talking about, the other women who testified to a pattern of behavior. I don't think that there was enough that came out there to really create a situation that would say that that was unfair testimony added into the trial. The testimony of the two victims alone, when they were testifying about being in the room with Harvey Weinstein, being overpowered by him, being forced upon by him, I think all of those things were enough to maintain this conviction as sexual acts without consent.
Andy, can I ask you about this idea that his lawyers have brought up that he should be allowed to have house arrest? Do you think that's possible here?
I always have thought, Dana, that once a defendant's been convicted, unless there's something that is so screamingly obvious that there's you would think that on appeal the conviction's going to be reversed, the defendant ought to go in. He's now been convicted by a jury, and under these circumstances, he's looking at another trial for the same offenses.
Yeah,
I think, put him in and get him to start serving his time.
Stacey, a quick last word from you.
Yeah, it's very common in Manhattan that as soon as a conviction comes down, the court officers actually surround the now convicted defendant. And as soon as the jury leaves the room and the judge says goodbye to them, they are immediately hauled off to a jail cell. And that's exactly what happened here.
We appreciate your expertise. Andy McCarthy and Stacy Schneider, thank you so much.